what changed the dynamic was when Beenie and Blaze mash up. So remember say that is a staple, you know.
Yeah.
And then Beenie and Blaze just mash up and man them say, hey, Ruff Kutt, you know. And Patrick called me and I say, hey, and the man put on a big guacamole and say, well, book you for the next year. And I say, no, I just push back money. Man, I say, what kind of madman this?
Yeah.
And I say, why am I a virgin? You realize that Garrison versus Garrison is not just about playing music, you know. Bounty Killer is a movement, and Beenie Man is a movement. And people see around and stab you up, brother. And break it down to him. And I say, yeah, oh, we're going to do this. And I say, me don't know, you know. And the man them, as the staff, I don't know, we had meeting after meeting. So, you had many Steve's that Ruff Kutt, you know. You saw when we really find BSC.
Mm-hmm.
We go through a whole different set of rehearsal. Now we used to book rehearsal where we alone and we just play artists and we run the artist the show. And we pick rhythm out and we listen rhythm. And a man I listen back this and a man I listen back that and a man say, I could try this and I could try that. Remember the Ruff Kutt single-handedly name and enhance every kind of mixing a dance hall. It was so bad that we played some things to Spragger. And in the rehearsal and in mind blown and here like we think of me. I said, Johnny, 2 half and 7s and this and that. Mm-hmm. And he'll go into the next rehearsal with a band and say, give me the 2 half and him say, what is that? I said, no, 2 half, man.
Yeah. Nope.
And him don't know what to do, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I said, that's something, man. What's sweet something Ruff Kutt don't know that's something up to. I said, don't know that's something we are talking about.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the kind of impact we had on the thing. Then, long and short, and Killer pull up, start work with Beenie.
Mm-hmm.
That was another great stint. I'll tell you, I think it was our most successful stint.
Mm-hmm.
We're doing 12 shows a month easily. Every weekend we have 3 shows. Every weekend. And I think that was when the fruits of Mirage really started to pop off.
Mm-hmm.
Start to bear the mango tree laden. And guess what? The mango tree laden and the mango not drop and rock, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We have picked everyone. We have picked every mango. And the blossom no blow off. Every blossom turn into a mango. And every mango get picked. Because you want to know. We had the 2 months with Beenie Man, 56 shows in a month. Every single show of extra artists. Beenie Man with Vegas, Beenie Man with Ghost, Beenie Man with this, Beenie Man with that, Beenie Man that. So Beenie Man a pay with, and then the promoter for pay for the next section of the show. And we are come off of the euphoria of being the band, killer band, and it's still fresh in the people's head say. Mm-hmm. A band's a bad still and a killer them monks and a killer them grow more time. We have to say Shabanks really. And the man say, blood clot, the body of history. Right now we say, we in at the game, brother. Mm-hmm. We in at the game. And I think it was the most productive time. It was in New York till the sick.
Yeah, because those times New York, that was outside of Jamaica. New York was the epicenter of reggae and dancehall.
Yes, and then Miami comes second because you know. But brother, from Shabaran's Day we have to have big a couple days off, you know. Like when I come off a tour, and by the time you reach home, man. Okay, I remember one particular time. Them time I never have no youth yet. Mm-hmm. And we got home like maybe 12:30. and a house phone man get called and say you have to be at the airport by 4. Remember, you just a come off a tour in a bag of dirty clothes, no brother. And you just a see your woman after 6 weeks.
Hmm.
And who have Pitney, them Pitney asleep, and the woman said, don't wake them. You see them in the morning. And by the time you say clean, the house phone ring, and it ring and drink, I don't really want to answer it. And when you answer the man, I say, yo, airport 4 o'clock in the morning. I say, what you say?
God.
I say, yeah, the man, I say, chumbo, clad in one fix that day upon the bed. And you say, Jesus Christ, before wake them Pitney. What if I got traumatize them? That was the kind of life we're living.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.